Very warm greetings from English Flight Academy. In today's lesson, we'll deal with those errors that we commit in our day-to-day conversation. My dear students, try to avoid using the slang language when you speak to your friends and relatives. If you don't avoid using the slang language, it becomes a permanent part of your knowledge and thinking, and you tend to commit mistakes when you write a particular composition. Examiners usually are aware of this fact, and in the questions of common errors, they do include some sentences of this type. I've taken 5 such sentences in this lesson which are asked in any competitive exam. I'll explain all these 5 sentences in the light of the rules of grammar, so stay tuned. The error lies in one of the parts of a sentence. So spotting errors will be the main question. And the directions given there are every sentence given in this exercise has been divided into 3 parts marked A, B, and C. The error lies in one of the parts. Read the sentences carefully and mark the incorrect part. However, if you feel the sentence contains no error, then mark part D. So let's proceed and understand. The sentence given in the exam will be like this. My father is in the teaching line. And the sentence is divided into 3 parts, A, B, and C. And also D, which has no error. So you need to identify which part has the error. Now read this sentence carefully and spot the error. My father is in the teaching line. Where's the error? Is it in part A, part B, or part C? Or there's no error? There's an error. And the error lies in part C. Teaching line is actually slang. There's no such term in English. The correct form of the term is teaching profession. Hence, the sentence should be, my father is in the teaching profession. Right? So let me write that. Teaching profession. So I hope it's clear. Moving on to the second sentence. Please do the needful and oblige. The error lies in part B. Right? The use of this term, do the needful, is a wrong use actually. It's slang. The real use is what's necessary. Please do what's necessary. Please do what is necessary or what's necessary. And oblige. So whenever you say someone this particular thing, then you're going to use this correct term, not the slang. Please do what's necessary and oblige. Moving on to the third sentence, I dislike her because she's very proudy. Where's the error? If you said the error is in part C, then you're right. Proudy here in part C is actually slang. It should be proud, okay? So here the sentence would be, I dislike her because she's very proud. Not proudy. This is a slang. Please understand. Moving on to the fourth sentence in the lesson, I doubt that he'll win the match. Sounds correct. Where's the error? Is it D, no error? Read again. I doubt that he'll win the match. There's an error. And the error lies in part B. When there is a sense of doubt in a sentence, the use of that cannot give us the correct sense. We should use whether in place of that. Okay? Whether. I doubt whether, this whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Whether in place of that. Hence, I doubt whether he'll win the match. Because what's more important is when there's a sense of doubt in a sentence, the use of that cannot give us the correct sense. So we should use whether in place of that. Now moving on to the last sentence in this video lesson. The sceneries of the Himalayas is excellent. Now where's the error? Or there's no error? The error lies in section A or part A. The word scenery is used both in singular and plural. There's no word like sceneries in English. So the correct sentence will be the scenery of the Himalayas is excellent. Okay, the scenery of the Himalayas is excellent. I hope it's clear now. Now, what you need to understand, my dear students, is grammar is just like a game. You need to master the basics to become well versed with grammar rules. You know, these type of questions which I explained in this video lesson appear mostly in many competitive exams like TOEFL, IELTS, etc. So let me give you tips to improve grammar in your writing. Tip 1 is be committed, please. Learning grammar actually needs a lot of motivation. Once you're ready to begin studying, stick to it until the end. Tip 2, read more. When you read, try to focus on the structure of the sentence. And tip 3, understand the logic behind a grammar rule. Try to note down all the rules. Focus more on understanding. Once you get to know the logic behind the rule, you would never make any mistake again. I hope the lesson was useful. Do like it and share it with the members of the family and friends. I'll be posting many videos on this grammar series in the upcoming sessions. Until then, keep smiling, happy learning.